you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for June 7th through June 13th. Now I'm going to give you guys kind of a little heads up. It is going to be a slow week. I just noticed there's not a lot of good coupons coming out, so most likely when there's not a lot of good coupons, there's not a lot of deals. I also want to give you guys a heads up. One or two of you guys have mentioned to me about starting in July, Walgreens is getting rid of their ads. I haven't heard anything about that. I asked my husband. He doesn't know anything. He said he was going to find out, but I am not sure if that's even true or not, because I know with him working at the distribution center, they have ads like a month out. So if it is July, then he would see that they're not there. But I don't know. I don't even know. But if you guys do, have more information, let me know. But it's okay if they don't have or they don't have the actual ads in the store, because I always look at the app. Anyways, I just like sometimes having the ad because it's easier when the store doesn't have the sales up on the thing. So there we go. So here are the deals of the week. They got big bags of Blue Diamond, $5.99. Maxwell. The Arm & Hammer are buy one, get two free. And I think those are like $5.99 a piece. I am not sure. Coinout and Viva, you get $4.99, which is an okay deal. But here they got the Olay body wash and the Old Spice body wash. Now they're going to be 2 for $12. It does say there's going to be an online coupon. I don't know if it's going to be a different coupon than what's already out there. But I did see that there is a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Otherwise, for the Olay, there is a $1 off coupon, so you guys could use 2 of them. So if you're going to do the $1 off 2 digital coupon, you guys would end up paying $11. You get that $4 register reward, making them $7 or $3.50 a piece. If you have the 2 $1 off coupons from the P&G ad, you guys would pay $10. Get the $4 register reward, making them $6 or just $3 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need some of that stuff, go for it. I think last week was a better deal. I can't remember, but those have been going on sale a lot lately. I feel like Olay is the body wash that I have been buying the most at Walgreens. They got Coke and Pepsi products, 3 for $9.99, which is actually a pretty good deal. I usually, tell you guys to wait on certain times, but that was actually a pretty decent deal if you guys need to, get that. They also have the, They have the 7-Up products, which is buy 2, you get 1 free. So that means they're $6.19. Do not pay for that price. I always see the 7-Up Root Beer Canada Dry, Dr. Dry. I always see those guys for $8.99. Sometimes I've even seen it for $7.99. So unless you guys absolutely need soda, I would do it. But I'd pass on that deal. Just wait probably a week or so. So, yes! Here we got more deals of the week. They got the Gillette $9.99. There's going to be a $2 off digital coupon. You get a $4 register reward, making them $3.99. Nope. Unless you guys need razors. Nope. Now here they got toothpaste. There might be some digital coupons. I don't know. But I do have a 5 off of 3, but I think that coupon ends this week. But you guys want to use 2 50-cent off coupons that we got from the 531 Smart Source. You would pay $4.98. You'd get a $4 register reward, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. I try to say get your toothpaste for free, but you know what? Some people do need toothpaste, and I'm here to help you guys with that. Otherwise, I guess some other stuff. Nothing really popping out. Sunscreen is buy one, get one 50% off. Chips, 2 for $6. Sorry, I had too much sun today. They do got some frozen here, frozen things. 4 for $10. I actually like this deal because I always like getting the corn dogs because they come to be like $2.50, which is a pretty decent deal. Sometimes that's even cheaper than if you went to the grocery store, but in case you guys need that. Want some Spam? 2 for $5. Oh yeah, Spam. Fun fact, I've been to the Spam Museum, which is in Austin, Minnesota. Kind of cool. That's all it is about Spam. Here we got some more food. Nothing really popping out. Like I said, it's kind of a slow week. They do have this Spike Seltzer and Bud Light Seltzer. Now this might be regional, but it's $13.99, and then there's like a $6 mail-in rebate, which is usually a Catalina that prints off. And then sometimes I've noticed that there has been Ibotta deals, but I don't know if there will be or if there is an Ibotta deal. So if you guys want to do that, I am so sorry for yawning. We sat out in the sun all day today. Drinks, nuts. You can choose some drinks or some nuts. These nuts. Okay, they got Purex for $7.99. Now these are the big bottles. They come out to be just, you get a $2 off digital coupon, making them $5.99. Okay, you guys, there's some, I've been reading this Apple card. It says get $50 with a new Apple card when you spend $50 or more at Walgreens for a limited time. Open wallet app, tap to apply. I have no idea what the heck that is. No idea. Yeah, so you spend $50, you get an Apple card. I don't know how that really rolls, but if you guys, you know, need to get some Apple cards, go for it. Now we do have some big pens there. Buy one, get one 50% off. I think we had the $2 off of two for $2 or more coupons that were printable, so if you guys have those, you might be able to use those. Here they're just talking about the safety at Walgreens. They do pull stuff for you guys if you call the store. Not like your shopping stuff, but if you need like a couple meds like that you can get in the store but you do not want to go in the store, you can actually call the store manager, and then when you go to the drive up with the drive up at Walgreens, they can actually give you those items too, so you don't have to go in the store, which is kind of convenient. Sometimes I don't like going in the store, especially if my kids are sleeping. I don't want to go in the store because it'll wake them up if I stop. So here we got, looks like a $15 reward gift card, or Visa card if you guys spend $50. I have never done the P&G rebates, so I have no idea how really it works. But it looks like for Crest there's a 5 off of 3, then you guys get 4,000 points when you buy 2. So that seems like it's pretty much the same deal as it was last week, so there might be some deals that we can do. Pretty excited with that, along with the P&G. Always is 2 for $10. You get a 5,000 points, I think, when you spend $20 is what I read, or $30. It's really hard to read the small print. Diapers, 2 for $20. There's going to be a 2 off of 2, but then you get 6,000 points when you buy 3. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. But if you guys like Mitchum, they are $2.99. It looks like you get, we're going to be getting $1 off coupons possibly. If we get any coupons, you guys want to use 4 of them. If we don't have any coupons, it looks like there might be 1 digital, but if you guys did have the paper ones, you want to use 4 of them, you'd pay $7.96. Why am I doing that? Yeah, then you get 4,000 points, making it $3.96 or just 99 cents a piece. But if you guys, if there's only just that one, then I wouldn't do that deal. But $1.99, okay. I feel like we've gotten Mitchum in the past for free, but they've slowed down on that a lot. So here they got Crest Toothpaste, $2.99 with that 5 off of 3. And then you get the $3 off register reward, it looks like, when you buy 3 of them. So you guys could basically get, I think, them for 3 for $1. Sorry, you guys, my son wants something. But they got some razors for $8.99 with a $4 off coupon, making them $4.99 if you guys need to do that. Now here is the Visa rewards. You get a $5 Visa rewards when you spend, I think it's $10 or something like that. And then you also get 2,000 points when you buy 2, so there could be a decent deal with the Listerine. A lot of facial products, skincare, buy 2, get the 3rd one free. Here we're going to the shampoo and conditioner. They got the Nexus, and I can't remember what was that called, Refresh. If you spend $20 or more, you get 10,000 points. Here is also a good deal, which I'm going to try to do, is the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. They are going to be currently buy one, get one 50% off. And we are getting in our inserts, or there's going to be a digital coupon for 6 off of 2. So there could be some decent deals with that. Makeup, buy one, get one 50% off. They do have some Sally Hansen Pride nail polish, so those are really pretty bright colors. You guys can get a free 3-pin pack when you guys purchase 3 of the Extreme Care colors. So we got that going on. They got Maybelline. If you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. L'Oreal Cosmetics, there's going to be like $2 off coupons plus a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them. Sorry, my son doesn't have any patience for me to finish this video. Kotex down here on the bottom. I wanted to show you guys this deal on Sunday, but my store didn't have any tags up, so I wasn't sure what was on sale. But it looks like it's going to be an all-month thing for buy one, get one 50% off. And then you get a, there's going to be a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So you guys can go ahead and do that. And then here are some of the medicines. Nothing's really popping out at me. Ducalax is buy one, get one 50% off. There's a $3 off digital coupon. Now they did change their ads up a little bit because it looks like it's saying coupon savings. So that means every time they show coupon savings, it means there's going to be a digital coupon. And I've been really into, you know, the digital coupon stuff anyways. And then here is the last page. There's hardly not very much, you know, pictures. And that is right. Oh my god, I'm sorry you guys. That's pretty much it. It's going to be a slow week if you guys, you know, need stuff. I'm still going to share with you some deals, but just want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.